Want to remove an old or unused vehicle from your Uber driver app? Maybe you've upgraded your ride or switched to a different delivery mode. Whatever the reason, removing a vehicle is quick and simple. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser, not the app, and search for Remove Vehicle Uber site. Click the link title, How do I remove a vehicle from Uber? Tap the go to supplier.uber.com link. Log in with your Uber driver account. On the dashboard, go to Vehicles. Select the vehicle you want to remove. Scroll down and tap Remove Vehicle. Confirm the action and you're done. That's it. You've now removed your vehicle from Uber. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.